Zanu PF hoodwinks voters with road rehabilitation program ahead of Masvingo by-election. The 1st of September 2025. By a correspondent, Masvingo, Zanu PF aspiring councillor for Ward 7 Masvingo Urban, Simbarash Gweja Shanhiwa, has rolled out a road rehabilitation program in the constituency as part of his campaign ahead of the September 13th by-election. In addition to roadworks, Shanhiwa has also initiated borehole drilling projects in the ward, a move that critics say is designed to sway voters rather than address deep-seated service delivery problems. This is nothing but a desperate attempt to hoodwink residents ahead of the by-election, said one opposition activist. People in Ward 7 have lived with poor roads and water shortages for years. Why is Zanu PF only acting now, just before people go to the polls? Residents have confirmed that road grading and patching is underway in parts of the ward, while borehole drilling equipment has also been sighted. Campaign teams aligned to Shanhiwa have reportedly told locals that more projects are in the pipeline. A member of Shanhiwa's campaign team defended the initiatives, insisting they were a demonstration of the candidate's commitment to service delivery. We are going to roll out more initiatives to assist the people of Ward 7. Councillor Gweja wants to show that he can deliver, and residents should give him their vote, said the campaign team member. However, opposition parties accuse Zanu PF of abusing state resources and deploying last-minute projects to manipulate communities during elections. These so-called developments are not genuine. Another activist charged they are meant to deceive voters, and once the election is over, service delivery will return to neglect as usual. The Ward 7 Masvingo urban by-election is expected to be fiercely contested, with Shanhiwa banking on Zanu PF's resource-heavy campaign machinery, while opposition candidates rely on voter frustration with the ruling party's record.